Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Since leprechauns remain folklore, children will often return to the trap with signs of a leprechaun visiting rather than a leprechaun itself. There will be chocolate coins, and treasure left in their bottom drawers. Leprechaun traps are typically made by families with children to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
Take our lead.
It's actually a pretty common counter in folklore and apparently sets little Irish murderers' insides on fire. Smelting is also a way to rid yourself from them, as the third sequel demonstrates. After terrorizing a fair ground, the leprechaun is eventually lit on fire along with his pot of gold. 14 March 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to dye toilet water green. In a clean toilet, add 8 to 10 drops of green food coloring, making sure it goes straight into the water. Do not swish or swirl or flush, as the color will disperse on its own and there will be a lovely bowl of green water in the morning.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.